Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new. My name is Jenny and today we have an unboxing video, as you can see here. So I'm in Vegas right now. This is my second day here and tomorrow we're leaving to the Amangiri Hotel, and then we're there for 2 days and then we're back in Vegas for 1 day and then we go back home on Tuesday because it's just a long drive. So we decided to break it up and stop in Vegas, and I honestly did not plan on getting anything here. Well, the item that I wanted wasn't available, even though the CA on Rodeo Drive told me that it would be. So I was a little upset, but then I ended up getting something else, which is this here, and I'm very excited to show you guys what it is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it. I'm so excited. I also have another item that I want to show you guys as well, which I talked about in my vlog if you guys didn't already know, but I'll just show you guys that in this video as well. So this is my Louis Vuitton box. I finally got another one. Oh my god, it's been forever. Yeah, so I'm very excited. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, it's knotted. How do I unknot this? And then there is an overcast today. I think it was actually sprinkling because the ground looks dark. Today is our last day here, and then we do drive to Utah, so I'm not happy about the 4-hour drive. But we could have flown into to Phoenix, Arizona, I think, and I think it's like a 25-minute drive from there. But it's just better to have your own car and stuff, just because, I don't know, we just thought we'd make it a road trip out of it, and it'd be fun to get shots of like the car with like the desert and everything. I don't know, I just think it's cool. Yeah, I'm very excited to go to the Aman Hotel. It's like one of the best hotels ever. Like I'm pretty sure everyone would go if they had the money to, but it's just such a great place. So anyway, I got the knot open, so let's go ahead and just take this off. It just feels like so cool to like have another item, because I mean, for the longest time, like I said, like I was just looking for stuff, and I just like couldn't find anything that I really wanted. And then I actually did look on the resale market for this after I got it, and it was pretty good, but like there wasn't any deals on it online, you know. So I just thought I'd get it brand new, and anything that has the Vachetta on it, I do like getting it brand new. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. It takes up quite this little corner here, so I'll just go ahead and take it out. And then I don't know if I'm gonna bring the box back home. It's kind of big, but we'll see. Oh, did you guys want to see my receipt? Because I have one. I just got it at the Bellagio Hotel. That's where I'm staying, and it says LV Las Vegas Bellagio blah 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 whatever. So yeah, and it has your CA's name on there and everything. And so let's open it. Can you guys guess what this is? Because I don't think you'll be able to guess. So this is what I got. I know some of you guys are like, what the fuck? But this is the Nice BB, and it is so beautiful in all of its glory. So this is what it looks like. It is so cute. It's even cuter in person. I was looking at this online and I was like, oh my god, that's like so beautiful. So there was 2 of them in stores. One of them had a darker patina. The other one, this one, had a lighter one, so I chose the lighter one, and I'm very happy that I did, because the other one just seemed like it was on display for a while, or it was on display and they took it off, and then, you know, I don't know, whatever. And then the lady did tell me that they did get it in the morning, which is a lie. I don't know, I always feel like they're lying every time they say that, like, oh my god, we just got it in. But yeah, I never believe them anyway. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So it's just kind of like this, it looks like a trunk style piece. I think that's why I like it so much, and I just think it's so cute. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So it has like 2 zippers, and then you can like zip it in the front, and then she did stuff it with some bubble, and it has 2 pockets up here. 2 pockets up here, and then it has this pocket back here, and then it also, I love this part, it has this where you can open it, and then there's the care booklet, and it says just how to care for it. And then where are the textile cards? Wow, this one does not have it. I don't know if they give it to you like every time you purchase a bag or not, but this did not come with my textile card. I don't have the textile cards for this one, which sucks, but I might go ask her today. Yeah, I just think it's super cute. It's not really like a make or break deal with me. I don't even do anything with the cards, but it's just nice to have it. So it has this zipper here, and then like I said, it has the care booklet, which I've never received a care booklet before. I've seen some people have theirs. Oh, here it is. in my bed. So I have this here, and then the care little card, and just has it in a bunch of languages. So yeah, I think it's super cute. Initially I was looking for the King toiletry bag, and I couldn't find it anywhere. It's like out of stock. It was in stock online, and I was like, oh, maybe I should just get it, because using this one you will obviously see the wear of it, and I do kind of like that because it is like a trunk piece. Well, it's not a trunk piece, but it looks like one, like just like a travel piece, and I do really like this. I just think it's super cute, and it's like really practical, you know, to travel with, obviously. I want to compare it to the Vachetta on my Neverfull, so you can see my Neverfull was once this light. So you guys can see how tan my Neverfull has gotten, because I've been traveling with it so much. And I said I didn't want to, but I honestly did not have like a tote to travel with. Yeah, I just thought that I would go ahead and get this. So it's really cute. Let me show you guys what I usually have my makeup in. I already know that this won't fit my makeup brushes, because I just feel like with all of my makeup and makeup brushes, I don't think it'll fit. But this is all of my makeup. I'm not sure. I think it will fit in here because it kind of is the same size, and then it's a little bit deeper in width, so it's like twice the size. So I think it will fit. I think most of my stuff will fit. I don't plan on using an organizer with this, just because I do have so many makeup items. Like I said, if I do decide to downgrade or not take as many things, and obviously I will be able to fit my brushes and maybe toiletry stuff in here. I don't know. When I think of like toiletry, I just think of it getting worn and dingy and stuff. So I honestly am not really sure. I still really want the toiletry in Dame et Bean, because it's my favorite print, and it is Louis Vuitton's first print. So I was debating on getting that one or the monogram one, and I ended up getting this. This wasn't even an item on my list or anything, so I don't really know why I got it, but when I saw it, I was like, oh, let me just look at it, you know, because I thought of all the toiletry bags, and then this was the last one I thought of, and she was like, oh yeah, we have it in stock, so she went to go get it for me. So I'm very grateful to the CA that helped me. Her name is Kay, I think, and I will leave her information down below if you guys want to purchase in Vegas, or if you guys have any questions of like items that are available. But she was super helpful, and she did bring out like a bunch of other items for me to look at, and there was nothing that really caught my eye, to be honest. I just like I said, I didn't know what I was after. I did see a bag that I thought was really cute. I don't even know what it's called, but I'll try to look for it online and link it down below. But I did try it on, and I thought it was really cute, so I really think that I will get a lot of use out of it. And I like that this has like a pretty good amount of space up here, because you can fit like scissors, tweezers, my double eyelid tape in here. I can fit, let me see what else. You can fit like maybe pencils and stuff in here, or like your eyeliner pencils and whatever, so you can fit that in here. And then for the slots, these slots are not really that big, so I don't really know what I would be putting in there, because it's so tight and so small, but maybe it'll stretch over time, I'm not really sure. And then this slot, I can put my double eyelid tape, and I don't really know what else, to be honest. I wish they made like dividers in here, and then you can put the divider in here and just be able to divide your stuff. But let me go ahead and try to put all of my makeup in here. And I have a lot, you guys, like by no means do I travel lightly. Oh my god, this is not gonna fit. So I already have my powder in there, and then another powder, and like two powders side by side don't fit together. So like this is not the width of the, I thought it would be the same. What the heck? So let me just try this, and then I'll see. So it's not a little tight. Well, actually, because it's deeper, I think it will be able to fit everything. And you can put things standing up, which I think a lot of you do. Wow! Wow, everything does fit in here, you guys. I'm happy. Wow, that's so awesome. Okay, then this will be the last item. So it is like filled up to the brim. So you guys can see that it is really filled up, and look at how ugly are the rugs. Like, who thought of like, oh, let's do a green carpet? Like, disgusting. But anyway, Look at how much stuff I have in here. I have so much stuff in here, and usually I dump all of my stuff before I start using it anyway, so this is like not a problem for me. I don't need dividers and all of that stuff. I don't need like everything to be super organized in here, because I do just like organize everything on the table as soon as we get to whatever hotel we're staying at. Wow, I love this already, and I'm so excited to start using it. I don't think that I want to use it right now, just because I'm still kind of like on the fence with it. I kind of want to see if there's a store that has the king toiletry, because that's honestly what I really wanted, but size comparison, I feel like this is a little bit bigger, to be honest. And it was funny because she was telling me that you can put like a strap here and here to carry it, and I was like, who would want to carry it like that? But I thought, you know, if you're traveling, you do want to just carry it on your shoulder or something, and that would be convenient. So I know a lot of people don't have makeup bags that are a luxury piece just because they get dirty and stuff, but I've always wanted, you know, just like the practical items. I've told you guys in my vlog already, I wanted practical items, and I really do like this. A lot of people get their makeup organizers from Amazon, which is a lot cheaper and it's more organized and you have compartments and stuff, but for your lifestyle, like, I mean, for my lifestyle at least, this is just what I think will work for me. Yeah, I'm so happy that everything fits in here. I do know that the vachetta at the bottom will get worn and everything, which I'm not too happy about, and I do think that maybe like once every 2 or 3 years I will get it replaced or just redone again, because I don't want this to be like too dark and too dingy, and it's not too much vachetta to where it'll be really expensive to repair, I feel like. So every like 2 or 3 years I'm not too bothered about it, whether I have to get it fixed or not, or get the leather replaced. Yeah, I'm actually thinking of getting the vachetta on my Monstery backpack replaced very soon, because like I said, I'm not going to buy any purses anytime soon. There's nothing that I really like, so I do want to get the vachetta replaced on that one, and just yeah, I do want to use it and like get the vachetta replaced on that, just because I feel like it'll be like a lot more nicer to look at, I feel like. But yeah, this is just perfect for me. Oh my god, I was having buyer's remorse, to be completely honest. I was feeling like I shouldn't have purchased it, and I was like wishy-washy and going back and forth, and I felt super guilty for even thinking about buying like another item. It's like so crazy, just because like all my life I was taught to like save, and you know, don't get any luxury items. Like I could have gotten a new camera, things like that. But I think ultimately you have to pick your battles, and you have to decide what makes you happy and what you want to spend your money on and stuff. And like my boyfriend was making me feel guilty for like buying Louis Vuitton or whatever, and honestly like I just brushed it off, because I did feel guilty like myself, but I got over it. And then he told me like, oh, why do you buy that, like it's so expensive, whatever. And I just don't even care. Like if I earn it, then I burn it, you know. So I just feel like if it's something that really makes you happy and something that, you know, you feel like will help you feel fulfilled in a sense. Like obviously I don't base my life off of luxury goods. I don't need expensive items to make me feel good about myself. I feel like I am beautiful and I'm very confident in myself, and I never ever think about other people's opinions, and I don't take anyone's opinions into consideration at that, just because I feel like once you're comfortable and once you're confident with who you are. I'm so sorry that I am like spinning this chair. It's so obnoxious, but it's just like spinning, like you can't help but spin. But I'm gonna try and sit still. But yeah, I feel like once you're confident and once you have accepted yourself for who you are and who you know ultimately want to be, I just feel like that'll make you a lot happier, and it'll make you feel a lot more confident and just like happy. Like I just feel like happiness is definitely the number one thing that I always wake up and I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna live today happily. So, you know, it's just, I feel like it's mind over matter as far as people's opinions about luxury items and stuff, but I'm just so thrilled and I'm so happy to have this item in my collection. I think maybe I'll get like a used makeup bag online, like the older version of the toiletries, just because I think those are so cute and they're vintage, and I wouldn't mind getting another vintage piece. My Monstery backpack is used and I love the way that it wears and the way that it looks and everything, but like I said, eventually you will get things replaced to make it feel like your own. So yeah, the resale for this that I see on the market is like it's over $1,000. So I purchased this for $975, I think, just rounding it up, $975. So I'm very happy with my purchase and I can't wait to continue using it and see how it wears. I definitely will just start using it now. Why not? I'm just so happy with it, and I didn't think that I would love it as much as I do now that I see that all of my makeup fits in here, and I could even fit some more foundations, because usually on a trip I I will bring different primers, different foundations, just to kind of, you know, be aware of what the weather is and stuff. I will try to let me just spritz my face really quick because it's feeling a little dry. So as far as, like, you know, my makeup for every day, it will definitely fit in here. This is what I wear every single day, aside from one of the foundations that I brought. But I just feel like if I decided to put more foundations or more primers in here, it will fit, not a problem. There is just so much space in here, and so I'm thinking of just getting another bag for actual toiletries aside from like a makeup bag, because I think this is definitely a makeup bag and not a toiletry bag for me, because I just love like being able, let me zip this up. Oh yeah, so I was saying that my brushes won't fit in here. I guess if they don't have I usually put them in here. Oh, sirens on the strip. But I usually put them in here, so if I just put them in here, they will definitely be dirty. But I think if I just like get a little roll and wrap them, they will fit in here nicely. I don't think that would be a problem. Yeah. Wow. So, excuse the sirens. I feel like people are getting drunk on the strip and just going balls out, you know? It's just crazy out here. So my brushes fit perfectly in here, to be honest. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Then I have 2 sponges here. I usually travel with a few sponges, so that gives me a peace of mind knowing that if I wanted to, I could just bring everything in here. But I do like my brushes to be separate from my makeup, just because it's how I am. And they're pretty dirty right now, so I don't want to stick them in here when they're dirty. I think if they're freshly washed and everything, I would put them in here. For right now, I'm just like I don't really care about that. It is a wipeable material. Aside from this right here, you have the Louis Vuitton Paris made in Italy sign. I was told that these are not made in France, that they only have made in Italy. So if you guys have seen something different, then definitely let me know, because I don't think that never really seen them made anywhere else. I've seen other unboxings and videos on this item, and they are made in Italy as well. So let me know if you guys have one that's made somewhere else. I'm just curious. I was like, oh, I'll look for a made in France, and she was like, there are no more in Vegas. I was like, okay, I'll just take it. So, oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will put her here. We shall name her Molly. Is that fucked up? Molly. So yeah, you definitely have to be careful when you are... Oh, my zipper is not that smooth. It's not that smooth, but it's okay. No one can steal my makeup. Like, who would want to steal my makeup? My makeup's not that expensive. So yeah, I love it. I think it's super cute. I wish that they wouldn't have put the vachetta under here. That's the only issue that I have. I just wish it wasn't under there. But you can just put like a hotel like towel down and just put your bag on top of it. I think I will go back and forth between using this for toiletries and using this for makeup. Maybe some days I'll be able to even fit both if I decide to go a little bit lighter with my makeup. Guys, I just feel like I need all of my makeup products, and I really do use every single product when I am doing my makeup. I realize that every single item in here I use, so I don't know what to do about that, but I'm just so happy. Okay, you guys, I'm done rambling. I'm so sorry that this video is like 20 minutes long. I'll stop now. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed my unboxing video. I'm so happy to add this little baby in my life. She is beautiful, and I just cannot wait to continue using her and getting a lot of wear out of it, because it's just such a beautiful piece. And this was my Victoria's Secret makeup bag, and don't get me wrong, this was so sturdy. Like, I was able to fit everything in here. Actually, I might even be able to fit my palette in here. This is my Kevyn Aucoin palette. It definitely looks like it fits in here. Sorry, just got sidetracked, but I always have to have this with me, because for blush, I can just use like a cream blush, but I need this to fit in here. And it does. Maybe this way's better. Wow. This is just like makeup bag of my dreams, and it'll keep it a little sturdy if you put the palette on the back, because this can tend to get like a little saggy from pulling it all the time. So wow, I'm so happy, you guys, and I hope that you guys like this item as well. If you guys are looking for an item on Louis Vuitton's website, let me know what you guys have your eye on and what bags you guys are loving at the moment, because I would just love to see what you guys are up to and what you guys are looking at. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!